Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get X-Ray on Minecraft Bedrock. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft and open the web browser and search for Better X-Ray Minecraft Bedrock. The site I use is minecraft.net. Once you're there, scroll down to the Minecraft Bedrock/PE download section. Then choose the version you want, with or without outlines. Then click the download button and add may open, but the file should download shortly. Next, open the File Explorer and go to Downloads and Folder. Then find the X-Ray file and right-click it. Choose Open With. Then select Minecraft and press Always. Minecraft will open and automatically import the resource pack. Now, go to Worlds and either create a new world or edit an existing one. Select Resource Pack and go to Available. Activate the X-Ray pack and press play. Once in the world, open the settings and go to Video and turn Smooth Lighting off. And for the best result, use a Night Vision potion and you'll be able to clearly see ores underground. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.